let's add a freebie. First thing you're going to click is new product. Okay, and then you're going to go change the title, guys. And I'm setting this up for my customer, so all I'm going to do is go to my online store and copy the freebie that I have, because we're part of a master resale rights community called DBA, and they just joined DBA under me. So all I'm doing is just going to my online store and copying and pasting. So you'll see me going back and forth. But I started with the title, and then we're going to go to the description. I'm going to copy it on my store and take it right over to hers. All right, and we're going to kind of move down the list. Go to media to add the actual photo that we want to use. So I'm going to head to Canva to get that photo, because the photo is just the cover, is what your customers are actually going to see on your Beacons page, right? So all you're going to do is download the first page of your freebie in order to get a cover photo. Makes sense? Now you see me over here getting her hex code. Hex code is just a numerical code that's attached to her brand colors. Her brand colors are like an army green, a very dark forest type green, and yellow. And it's actually kind of like a dark yellow, like a gold. But these are her hex codes that I have in my notes. So you'll see me kind of going back and forth, because all I'm doing is copying and pasting her hex codes so I can be very accurate in her brand colors. All right. Now this is just the second page of the freebie. They give you two options with Digital Boss Academy. You either get this option right here that I'm going to change her colors on. Nah, green ain't gonna work. We're gonna have to do that gold. Yeah, so you either get this option or that one. And I know, guys, in my opinion, I feel like the first one looks better with her brand colors. Don't you agree? And they're just saying, hey, you need to delete this. Please read this before. Yep, just delete it. Get that out the way. But everything else is going to stay the same. Only thing I'm doing is really just changing her brand colors. That's the beauty about master resale rights digital marketing communities. You can plug and play. A lot of things are done for you. So, but I am changing the color of the DBA logo. They also give you a logo that you will have to use in order to promote the community. So I'm going to go get, I wanted to change it to her forest green. I don't know what kind of green this is, y'all. I'm just going to say dark green. But I don't think the dark green is going to work. So I'm going to go and get her hex code for her yellow, her gold, dark yellow. So we're going to paste it in there some type of way to get that changed. And guys, I went to duotone. You see on the left pane right there, I went to duotone. I clicked that in order to change the entire color of the DBA logo. Just FYI. But I'm going to go back and change this because obviously the green is not working. So we're going to go to duotone again. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find something close to yellow. I think I'm just going to pick one and change the color. Yeah, I'm just going to pick one. So highlight the logo, go right here to shadows, go back into my notes, copy her hex code for that dark yellow. And then we're going to go back to Canva and just paste it in this section to change it to. See, there you go. Simple as that. All right. And I'm just going to do a little bit more branding by changing her colors for volume 1 and volume 2. Because there's 2 volumes that come with DBA. If you guys want to pause the video right here just to see what all you get when you join. And if you guys are interested in joining Digital Boss Academy, I just need you to put a DBA down in the comments and I'll send you the link. All right, so this is just basically the freebie to tell people what's inside, like her customers, tell them what's inside so they can see what all is in the computer and how it can help them. So right now I am just going to go change her link inside of this freebie because yeah, see, this is just me showing you the entire thing. But we're going to change this link because what this link is going to do is redirect them to her store to purchase Digital Boss Academy. All this does is nurture her audience to make them feel a little bit more comfortable about what she's offering. So I'm going to actually go to her store that I already been working on. But I just want to show you guys how you add a freebie to beacons. So we're going to go to volume 2, copy that URL. And we're going to head back over to Canva, hit the pencil, and paste her store right here. So when her potential customers, her leads, click that link that's inside of her freebie that I'm doing, it'll take them directly to her store. I hope I'm making sense. And we're going to click done. Okay? Because it's asking for volume 1. And I just kind of hover over stuff because I be trying to make sure I'm not making a mistake. I want everything to be accurate for my girl. I have to make sure I deliver nothing but value for my people, right? All right, so we're just going to hover over there, hit that pencil for volume 2. You see I highlighted that. Go back to her store, copy the URL, see volume 2, copy it. And we're going to head back to Canva and paste it in that field so we can redirect her leads back to her online store in case they want to purchase. And I always hover over it just to make sure that it's accurate. You want to do the same thing too. But this is just giving testimonials. It's telling people what is all inside of the community. So if you guys are interested in wanting to know what is inside the community and how it can benefit you, just comment sneak peek down in the comments and I'll send you the link for this freebie as well. You know, I know some people got to see it in order to believe it, but we're going to download this as a PDF because it has links. Anytime something has links inside of it, a digital product, you want to download it as a PDF. So we're going to upload that. Wrong one, Ebony. Okay, that's the right one. And this is just me checking and making sure that everything is right. You know, if you kind of want to check it out while I'm scrolling through here. But I'm just checking for accuracy because you can never be too sure. I'm going to click that, make sure it's functional and it works. As you can see, it took me right to her online store that I just created. All right. So we need to actually add the media, which is the PDF that we just downloaded from Canva. All right. That's what we're about to download as a PNG, I'm sorry, because we're trying to get the title page. Remember I told you guys about the title page because it's the first thing that your customers are going to see on your beacons is the title page of whatever product that you're offering them. All right. So make sure you click one page, not all of the pages, just highlight one page. So if you need to go back and pause it, see how it's just one page right there? If you want to go back, kind of rewind it and pause it, or slow the video down, the speed down, you can. So you can see how to download one page, the cover page in Canva, because that's what you want to do. Okay, always click custom. It's always going to be custom when you're uploading an image into beacons. I'm going to click OK. We're going to click the back button at the top or the X. And all of those marks right there have to be green. Everything has to be green check marks for you to know you've completed it. And see, there it is.